My name's Nathan, and right now we're going to be taking a look at some cool sound effects that I just saw. Got my whammy bar here, and you see where it's got all that crap right there. I'm going to take it. Hold on. Okay, I just thought that'd be kind of cool. I don't know. That's all I got. Next time we're going to be taking a look at Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana.